Hello guys, this is me again, Rob Briner, ang inyong lindog. Listen lang ang katapat. Today vlogs, we're going to open the Urlab Victoria's and Douglas and Lucky's Urlab piggy bank. It's not piggy bank, but it's... So guys, let's try it, okay?
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. So guys, let's open our Urlab, our Urlab or our vacation piggy bank. Come on. So guys, there we go. We're going to open our Urlab or Alcancia or piggy bank Victoria. Unlucky. So we will see guys how much is it. So guys, this is only the part 1. We have the part 2, okay? So we will count how much all of this. This is heavy guys. I don't know how many kilos is this. I think this is almost, let's try guys, huh? So guys, this is the kilos. Let's try how many kilos is this, okay? So wait, I will show you how many kilos. So wait, mga kalindo. I will put in here, so very so you can see how many kilos. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So guys, ayan. So 4 kilos is until here, okay? Oh my God. So So guys, ayan, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so how much kilo? 4. Wait guys, So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kilos and a half. So ayan guys, this is almost 5 kilos and a half. So let's try na guys. Let's open it. So ayan So I try only how many kilos guys. So now we will open because we're going to vacation with the dogs. So yun guys. Oh my God. Maybe you have something here. I can cut it. I'm scared so I will cut it. So hope it's nothing na. So ayan guys, let's do it here. Victoria is looking. Because it's from Victoria, mga kalindog, So, okay. So ayan guys, I show you this. Okay, I will show you when I start to make this. So guys, wait. So this is only the part 1 mga kalindo. So you will be get ready for the part 2. So how many or how much is this? So ayan guys, I make this Urlab from Victoria and Lucky Douglas. But I don't put when is that? I don't know. Urlab from Victoria. So guys, ayan. Urlab Guild from, ayan. Urlab is mean vacation. Ayan guys. There we go, as you can see. So, ayan. So So guys, ilabas na natin. And let's see how much. And I will count it later. To count it, this is long time. I know, so that's why we're going to make a part 2. So guys, let's do it first. Yeah. So guys, this is all the papers. Papers. O, diba? Meron tayong. So, yan. And it's almost 5 kilos and a half. Yan, 5 kilos. So, yan. Kita nyo kung how many. Ayan, mga kalindot. Ang dami niya, mga kalindot. So, the heavy is, of course, the coin. Ayan, guys, ha? Dami. So, ayan na, guys. Oh, mga coins. This is only 1 euro and 2 euros. Okay? So, I'll show you guys itong mga papel. Wait. So, ayan guys ha. Show you. Ayan. May TP50, 100, 20, 10, 5. Ayan guys ha. Kita ko sa inyo. Ayan ha. So, let's start for the 100. How many 100 yan? Ayan guys, 100. So I think the 100 is, so 100 is only 1 guys. And let's start to 50. Ayan. 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 2. Okay, so 10. 10 times 2. 10. 11. So 11 guys ha. So 11. 11 50 and 1 100. So let's go to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The reason why I make like this, the guy, I fold like this so I can put direct. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 23. 24. So 24, 20, okay? So ayan guys. So that's why kaya siya ganyang lukot-lukot. That's why it's really small fold. So I put always like this. So guys, ayan. You know, so ganyan talaga siya. I put it very small like this. So you can put it like that. So let's go to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18, 10, guys. So let's go to the 5. 1, 2, 3. And of course, I put all the new guys, very new, all the papers. You know, 3, 4, 5. It's all new. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So ayan guys, show you. Oh my god. So there we go guys. Oh my god. Ayan, no? There we go. So look at this guys. This is for Victoria, Lucky, and Douglas. I'm gonna buy them a gift and we're going to vacation. Ayan, ha? This is the paper man. The paper man. We will count it in part 2. And let's go here guys. There we go. Ayan. Oh, still they have. They have still 5 and 10. Oh, there we go, guys. Still coming. Still coming. And coming. Ayan. Ayan, guys. So, that is all about. So, I don't know how... Ayan, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya karami. Okay? Ayan, guys. Yung mga coins. This is all 2 euros and 1 euros. So, ayan guys, I get already still the 310, 310 and 35. So, there is the money guys, what we get. So, ayan, we will count this guys in part 2. So, ayan. So, there we go guys. Thank you for watching. We were going to count this how much in part 2. Ayan, so there we go. So guys, don't forget to smile and please still subscribe if you're not still subscribe with me, and see you. I hope that you enjoy my first part of Victoria's Alcancía. Bye guys, thank you.